Pestana Realty, Springwood. Rajan and David have done a marvellous work with the marketing. The marketing has come off spot on. Happy with that. The professionalism is great. The tenacity of the two is brilliant. At times I'd given up, but these boys hadn't given up. It was just go, go, go right from the start. A lot of hard work with the results at the end being brilliant. I thought it wouldn't happen, but with Rajan and David, they just kept at it until the house has been sold, and we're just happy with the whole results, and it's really good. The house at 29 Glengala, we were kept informed all the time with the marketing and with the results of all communication that the salesmen, Rajan and David, were having with purchases. So we knew where we were at all times, and like I said, the results what we wanted, and they're really good.